Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry effectively in a single day. This focused approach requires strategic planning and efficient execution. Begin by dedicating your initial 2 hours to mastering the foundational principles, such as naming compounds and understanding basic bonding. Next, spend another 2 hours on the most common reaction types, grasping their underlying mechanisms. This structured method ensures you cover essential ground without feeling overwhelmed, setting a strong base for deeper learning. To maximize your one-day study, concentrate on core concepts and reaction mechanisms. Focus on understanding the reactivity of key functional groups like alcohols, aldehydes, and carboxylic acids. Spend about 2 hours on these. Grasping electrophilic and nucleophilic substitution is crucial. Dedicate another 90 minutes to these. Practice drawing out mechanisms for at least 5 different reactions to solidify your understanding and improve recall. Active recall and problem solving are vital for a one-day study sprint. Dedicate at least 3 hours to working through a diverse set of practice problems. Aim to solve around 15 to 20 questions covering various topics. Specifically, tackle at least 10 mechanism-based problems to ensure you can apply your knowledge. Additionally, spend 30 minutes creating and reviewing flashcards for key reagents and reaction conditions, which significantly aids memory retention. For your final 90 minutes, focus on a quick review and confidence building. Go over all major named reactions, ensuring you recall their specific reagents and conditions. Create a concise summary sheet, condensing all critical concepts and mechanisms onto one page for rapid review. Finally, take a short, timed quiz of about 10 questions to gauge your immediate understanding and identify any last-minute areas needing attention. This final push will solidify your learning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.